Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm gonna show you my Boxycharms. I got my Luxe and my Premium today, so I'm gonna show you both. First I'm gonna do my Premium box and then move on to the Luxe. But if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I do Boxycharm videos every month and I do them as soon as I get the box. Okay, so this month's theme for Premium is Game Changer, and it says to celebrate game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month, which is kind of cool. So let's do this. So the first product I got is a Charlotte Tilbury product. I cannot believe this. I've never gotten a Charlotte Tilbury in Boxycharm. I don't think they ever had Charlotte Tilbury and Boxycharms before. So that's awesome. But this is the Airbrush Flawless Foundation, and it retails for $44, and it does say it's a new brand to Boxy. So I'm excited to see if we're going to see more Charlotte Tilbury in our Boxycharms. So I did choose this, and unfortunately I forgot about choice and I remembered later on in the day, and so I didn't get a color that I necessarily wanted. I ended up choosing the shade 5 Cool, and it is too dark for me. So it is right here, but I think if I'm self-tanned or in the summer, it may work, and I can, in the meantime, use it to mix in with some lighter foundations that I have. I did mix it today with my Too Faced, the Peach matte foundation that I have. That one was way too light, so it mixed well. I think it, it worked well together, and I believe this is more of a matte foundation, and it is fragranced. I do smell like floral in here, but overall I'm super excited to get a Charlotte Tilbury product, and I'm excited to see what's in store for the future. The next product is a mascara, and this is from Aether Beauty, the Big Bang Mascara, which retails for $28. And this one says it's for length, volume, curl, and definition. And I know Aether Beauty is like a clean beauty brand. We did get an eyeshadow palette recently in a Boxycharm, and the packaging is cute, and I used it today, and I think it did a good job. I think it gave me length and some volume and some separation. So far I'm happy with this. The third product I got is this right here. It is the new the Pill All-in-One Serum. At first I'm like, are they giving me vitamins? But it is a serum, and this retails for $85, which is crazy. But this is a really nice serum, and I could see myself like adding it to my skincare routine. And it's a single daily dose of high potency. It's designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. So it says it has AHAs, vitamin C, and AHAs. So I'm excited about that, and I used it today and it felt really good on the skin. I'll definitely get use out of this. The fourth product is this right here. It is the Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer, which retails for $32. And it's a primer, and I used it today, and because I use such matte foundation, I really think it helped like make the matte foundation not so dry. But I did put this on my hand earlier, and what I really enjoy about this, well, it goes on like a lotion. What I enjoy about it is it's not, a lot of times when you get glowy primers, they're more like a highlighter. This just looks like glass skin, and it feels really hydrating. It feels like a good quality product. So it's another great product to try. Fifth product is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which retails for $40. So it's supposed to give you cooling, comforting, it has black pepper, warming ginger, and detoxifying rosemary, and it's supposed to help with like after working out or like sore muscles. I haven't tried this. So it is a gel, and it does have like that aromatherapy earthy scent. I'm gonna put some on my arm, and it feels very cooling. it smells nice, like relaxing. It'd be nice to put on before bed. It doesn't feel like a Bengay. You know how a Bengay would feel? It doesn't feel like that, but it does feel cooling and refreshing. And the last product, which is the 5th product in my Boxy Premium, is the Grace and Stella Everything is Better in Pink Collagen Boosting Eye Mask, which retails for $24. So they're supposed to help boost collagen production and hydrate and firm under your eyes. And you do get quite a bit. I haven't tried these yet. It's quite a bit of eye patches. I'll show you one right here. They look like the gel and they're pink, which are cute. Honestly, I get these kinds of products in Boxycharm frequently, and I use them once in a while, but it's something like I forget to use. Maybe I should use them more often, but it's nice to get it, but I'm not overly excited about this. Just my personal preference. But overall, my total box retail value is $253. And I think it's a good premium box. I do. I'm happy. I do have a mix of makeup and skincare. And the star product is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the Boxy Luxe. And you only get Boxy Luxe every 3 months. And I believe it's a little more than $50. Maybe it's like closer to $60 now, which is kind of pricey. Everything's getting more expensive nowadays. But the first product, there's also a great product in here as well. I'm so happy to get this. This is a Natasha Denona Cupid eyeshadow palette. And at first, because my friend Sarah got her Boxy Luxe before me, and she told me about this, and at first I thought it was the recent palette Natasha Denona did for Valentine's Day. I thought it was going to be like bright purples, bright pinks, but no, I was wrong. It wasn't that. This is something exclusive to Boxycharm. So it is a 5-pan palette, but it's the bigger ones. It's not like the mini, the $25 mini one. It's the step up. And yes, this palette leans more pink, but it's still pretty wearable, and I just think it's so pretty. I love Natasha Denona's quality, and I just think it's so cool to get something exclusive just to Boxycharm. You're not going to find this on her website. I know people do resell a lot of things in Boxycharm and Mercari or Poshmark or whatever websites, but I'm so happy, and like I said, I used it today. I did a very simple look because I'm wearing green. I already had my shirt planned today, and I just didn't feel like wearing something else to match. So yeah, I went very light and neutral, but I'm very impressed and happy that we got this in the Boxycharm. The second product I got is from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum, which retails for $72. And it says it has 2.5% bioretinol and retinol serum to help, and it's encapsulated with vitamins. So yeah, you're supposed to use this at nighttime. I haven't tried this yet. Ooh, I like the packaging. Packaging looks really cool. I have tried a few things from Juice Beauty, and I do enjoy it. I believe Juice Beauty is sold at Ulta, or at least it used to be. So it just looks like a lotion type, like a thin lotion. And it is scented. It smells good though. It smells like candy. I'm really liking this, and I'll definitely be getting some use out of this because I don't believe I have a retinol I'm currently using. Third product I'm actually very excited about is from Dry Bar. It is the Liquid Glass Miracle Smoothing Sealant, which retails for $34. So I was very interested to see like what kind of product this is, because it says it lasts through 3 washes. But I guess what you're supposed to do is wash your hair, and when your hair is damp, spray this in, and then blow dry your hair, and then you will flat iron it to seal it in your hair. And it's supposed to just like help your hair look really smooth and nice, which I'm really excited to try this. I didn't use it because yeah, I didn't wash my hair, but I'm very, very excited and happy to get this. The fourth product is from Lawless Beauty, which is a brand I've never tried. I heard quite a bit about. I believe this is also a clean beauty brand. And this is Forget the Filler Plumping Line Smoothing Gloss. And this retails for $25, and this says it's a new brand of Boxycharm as well. And I used it today, and it's not one of those plumping glosses that burns. I think it just helps fill in the lines and just gives you the plumping appearance and probably plumps over time. But this is in the shade Rosy Outlook. So it has like a little pink tint to it, but ultimately it's pretty much clear. I did go over it with a lip liner, like a pink lip liner. And I do like the doe foot applicator. It's kind of chunky and it's curved to hug your lip. Really like that, and yeah, happy to get this as well. The fifth product is from Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Radiance Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream, which retails for $49. I've heard great things about the skincare brand, and it's supposed to help visibly reduce dark circles just after 7 days. And it's supposed to brighten, hydrate, and plump. So I don't know, I'm excited. It says it's a clean to skin product as well. So I did try it today, and it felt pretty hydrating under the eyes. I like the formula of it. So we'll see if it helps brighten up my darkness under my eyes, but happy to get this as well. I haven't really been using a eye cream that I've been loving. Like, I have some that I got in Boxycharm that I'm just using because I have them, but nothing I'm totally in love with, so happy to get this. The sixth product I got is Give Them Lala Skin Stay Calm Smoothing Sheet Mask. This says it's a new launch, and this retails for $30. So Lala is from the show Vanderpump Rules, and she did have a makeup line. I know her makeup's been in Ipsy, and some of her makeup's been in Boxycharm. So I guess she's branching out to skincare now. So you get 4 sheet masks. That's kind of pricey for $30, but they do look cute. I like the packaging, and this one says it's supposed to stay calm. So it's supposed to have like aloe and chamomile and licorice root, and it's supposed to help make you feel hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in one use. So I'll have to give these a try. I mean, I kind of feel the same way I feel about sheet masks with the under eye masks. I always forget to use these types of products. I mean, it's nice when I do use them, but it's not something I'm super excited about. Now, the 7th item in my box is this right here. It looks like a coffee cup. Is the Frank Body Perky Sculpting Body Hydrator, and this retails for $19.95. And I've seen that like Boxycharm usually has these Frank Body products, and they're like their pop-up stores and stuff like that. I've never tried anything, but I did use this first. Whoa. Ooh, I'm throwing it. Good thing it has this little thing to protect it. I would have been all over my floor. But I did try this today after my shower, and it felt nice and hydrating. It is scented. It's like a lighter sweet type of smell. I can't really pinpoint this scent, but it says like on the packaging, butt first coffee, and then it has a picture of a butt in the top of it. So I guess it's supposed to be like for your booty and help firming and stuff. So kind of similar to like the Brazilian bum cream, but oh yeah, it smells really good. Like sweet but fresh at the same time. So yeah, I definitely will get use out of this, and I like that it's a big, you know, container, and I think it's cute, like the packaging. I think it's cute. And the last product in my Luxe, and the 8th product, is the Complex Culture Beauty Filter Out Daily Blue Light Defense Mist, which retails for $32, and it's supposed to help moisturize and set your makeup, but also protect against blue light, like the light on your phone, your computer screen, television, whatever. I think it has really nice packaging. Love it. Love the packaging. And the sprayer is really nice. I don't want to spray my cat, but a really nice fine mist. Really enjoy that. And it smells, it is fragranced, but it smells clean to me. I almost smells like there's like a little bit of licorice in here, but I did enjoy this for a makeup setting mist. I don't know about the blue light technology and all that, but I will use it to set my makeup, and I thought it did well for that purpose. But overall, my Boxy Luxe retail value is $309.95. I will put in the description box, I'll put the codes for each, you know, box, what the codes are in case you guys are interested. But yeah, overall, I have a ton of new products to try. And I mean, both boxes, I felt like they weren't super makeup heavy, mostly more skincare, body care, hair care, but I don't mind it for some reason this one. Sometimes it bothers me. I think it's because the makeup items I did get are really nice, like the Natasha Denona palette, the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Those are definitely the stars of the show. And I did get really nice skincare products too that I'll actually use and enjoy. So yeah, this just feels so good on my skin. The gel kind of disappeared. Like, I don't notice the gel doing anything, honestly. Like, I like the scent, but I thought it would feel more cooling and relax my muscles, but not really. But the lotion, this body butter, really nice. But okay, guys, that is it for my Boxycharm unboxings for the month of March 2022. I would love to know what you guys got in your box, and yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.